What's going on, people? In today's video, another little Hoppy update. So haven't covered Hoppy for a while. I'm still a big believer in the token. Haven't DCA'd for about 6 to 8 weeks in this coin, and right now I am down about 55% in my position, but I'm still long-term big believer. I still believe when the next phase of the bull run does kick off, Hoppy is a sleeping giant right now, trading at around $8 to $9 million market cap. Its all-time high was about $140 million, so we're a long way off all-time highs. Just to get back there is a lovely gain right now. So, but yeah, the whole market's doing pretty terrible. There's no momentum going. So again, now's a great time to be accumulating. As I always say, diversify. These are meme coins. Hoppy is a meme coin especially. So it's had a lot of FUD with mystery and so on. And yeah, obviously I follow them on Twitter. They're still posting every day, putting good content out there. But right now there's no new exchanges. There's nothing really going on with the token too much. So this is a good time to, if you believe in the project, it's a good time to be accumulating. And I say, just to get back to all-time highs, you're looking at maybe an 18x or something like that, which again is an incredible gain. So, and if it can go to 500 million or $1 billion, then yeah, you're looking at making life-changing money. And 18x is life-changing money. So yeah, just a little update. Still bullish on the coin. The whole market is doing pretty rubbish right now. So it's just a patience game. Obviously, we've got lots of things going on in the world. Wars, trade wars, loads of things going on to spook the markets. 1 minute we're up, 1 minute we're down again. So obviously we've got rate cuts potentially coming in either May or June. It's looking more like June, but you never know, anything can happen. So at one point with Hoppy, I think last October, I was up $33,000 and I completely round tripped it. So on a separate trading account, I did do some trades on Hoppy and I made some nice profit. But yeah, I completely round tripped that $33,000 profit and I'm now down 55%. So crypto is very high risk. It can be very stressful and so on. And there's so many coins I wish I took more profits on. I did take profits on a few tokens. I've done quite well with Mr. Miggles, Turbo, Lambwolf, so on. I had a few good plays and I've done a lot of trading in between. But yeah, a lot of these tokens, I round tripped them and so on. So it's extremely frustrating, this game. It's extremely frustrating, but it's part of the game. So, and they say, I believe there will be the next phase of the bull run. It will happen. Rates are getting cut, whether that's May, June, July, that is going to happen. They just put a tweet out the other day saying that they're happy to start stabilising the market if they need to step in and stimulate and so on, if stocks fall that hard and so on, if unemployment goes that much higher up and so on. So everything has been affected in the market. Gold is the only thing doing very well right now. Pensions have come down, say stocks and shares, ISAs, individual stocks, crypto. The whole market has taken a big hit. I look at this as another buying opportunity. I've stated many times, every few generations you get them opportunities, and scared money doesn't make no money. So again, crypto is very risky. Do it at your own accord. I would always recommend to be diversified. Have exposure to crypto, have some say in real estate, stocks. If you want some bonds and play it even safer. If you want precious metals like gold, or you want commodities, oil and gas, just have a well-rounded, diversified portfolio. I, for one, have pretty much gone all in crypto. I've got stocks and shares ISAs, but I've gone pretty much all in crypto. I've taken an extreme amount of risk, and hopefully it will pay off. And then yeah, after this, I won't have to take anywhere near as much risk in the future. I will diversify a lot more, but yeah, I'm young. I haven't really got any responsibilities right now, so I can afford to do it. Ethereum has done terrible. Do you know what I mean? It's not done well. So if you bought Ethereum 4 years ago, I believe you'd be up by now. Hopefully, I'm still a believer that we will get that next phase up and it will start rocketing. We've got the potential for the Ethereum staking ETFs to come out. And obviously, Hoppy is an ERC20 token. It's on the Ethereum ecosystem. So when Ethereum's doing well, we say it lifts up all the tokens on that ecosystem and so on. So obviously, everyone's rooting for Ethereum. I think Ethereum pumping will kick the alt season off, to be honest with you. It's the second largest coin. Lots of tokens are on Ethereum. Base has been doing very well recently, and obviously that is a layer 2 to Ethereum. So again, the better Ethereum does, the more money that will drive to that ecosystem, to the layer 2 side of it as well. So yeah, it's just a patience game. I know it's boring. I've been doing this 4 years. It is 1 minute your portfolio is up massive and it's down again. So, but yeah, there's not much news going on with Hoppy right now. But I just believe when the bull run does kick off, just to get back to where it was is an 18x. That is an incredible achievement. That is a ridiculous money. So other than that, not too much to say. I'm still a big believer in Hoppy. I think it will do great. I think it's got a huge community. I think it's got a great following, a great Twitter page. And yeah, when you have a feeling, you just have a feeling. It's hard to maybe convince people on the screen and so on, but I've seen what Hoppy can do. I got in it super early. So I've made some nice trades, but this coin, it is a Matt Fury coin. It is a meme coin. And I think the Matt Fury narrative will come back at some point, and the meme coin cycle narrative will come back as well. So, and Hoppy, what I say, it's also just Ethereum. When Ethereum starts rocketing, watch this coin fly up again. So whether it happens this month, next month, or it happens, say, back end of the year or January 2026. It will happen at some point. It's just a patience game. Sectors rotate, things cool off, and things go back up again and so on. So long-term bullish, even potentially short-term, it could happen soon. But yeah, just I don't want to give dates and price target because in this sentiment, anything can happen right now. Literally anything can happen. So yes, I believe in this token. Don't copy me. Just say this is just purely for entertainment purposes. Do your own research. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.